Maski pang bata or matanda, pwedeng-pwede nyo gamitin tong bagong mesh nebulizer ni Surgitech as your main or backup nebulizer. Ang magugustuhan mo dito, it's already rechargeable. And upon testing, one full charge lasted around 109 minutes. So roughly, abot siya around 10 uses. At pag nakita nyo na po tong orange light, that just means na kailangan nyo na po siyang i-charge. At alam mo ba, meron tong dalawang features na meron dito sa previous models si Surgitech na gustong-gusto ng mga nakabili. The first one is tahimik po siya when operating. Kaya pwede mo siya gamitin kahit tulog yung anak mo. Yung pangalawa, meron po itong 3 levels of mist output na pwede nyo pong pagpilian. Depende po kung sino gagamit ng nebulizer. Meron po kasi mga bata or matanda na na-overwhelm pag masyadong malakas yung usok. At least this way, kahit papaano meron po tayong level of control. But what's new about this model is, kung mapapansin nyo, mas maliit po siya compared sa previous models si Surgitech. Kaya mas madaling hawakan at mas madaling dalhin kahit saan. Pero, ang isang pinagmamalaki ng Surgitech when it comes to their nebulizers is that it can turn medicine into fine mist so that it can be absorbed properly by the lungs. For bonus accessories, this comes with 2 masks and a mouthpiece so you don't have to buy them separately. Pero something to consider lang po when removing the mask. Make sure na pakaliwa po yung ikot nyo, hindi pa kanan. Kasi natatanggal po tong part na to pag mali yung ikot Pero mabilis na naman po siya ibalik. This is perfect for someone na may asthma or dun sa mga nag-aalaga ng mga taong meron. Ang hirap po kasi dun sa may mga hika, hindi mo alam yung kailangan ka-atakihin. Kaya mas may peace of mind ka kung meron kang backup nebulizer sa bag that you can carry around. Kaya if you're looking for a good brand of portable nebulizers, either for personal use or for someone else, then consider getting the Surgitech S600A portable mesh nebulizer dito sa Yellow Basket namin.